SolEn is a company of solar panels that manage from low to big products and projects of sustainable energy, dedicate their services to the system analysis, acquiring the materials, and the installation of the panels. Now we are working on the project of an app that allows our consumers to visualize the design of the panels on the roof of their buildings. Also, they will watch ideas to make this space more sustainable and attractive. We as a company resolve problems such as environmental impact due to the solar energy is a renewable and clean energy, reduce the costs of energy to our consumers. We reach communities that don't have electric energy, such as rural areas or difficult access zones. And also the app will reduce the uncertainty avoidance to how will be the project, the costs and benefits, to be more informed about their investment in our product. Our market is compounded by different kinds of people, especially by high and middle classes of men and women in a range from 25 to 54 years old, who have employment and economic stability. Due to this, they live in own house and have a high probability of investing in sustainable energy projects. Also, people who are related to the management of technologies, due to our services are mainly offered by an app. These people also need to have an interest on take care of the environment and the sustainability on their homes or companies. It is mainly based on the population of rural areas with high solar potential, as hot weather and variable weather zones, where the sustainable projects are more applicable.
We choose the United States for being our power, but beside that, because it is a country that is always advancing in technological issue, and that also appropriate issue of sustainability. People in the United States have a vision to the world but open than Latin Americans. People in the United States will always want to be better than others, so we decide on the US market. It's a country with high levels of solar radiation by its plains and lack of mountains, in addition to big coverage in signal for implementation of the app and reach the farthest corners of the cities.
Our main objective by 2022 Solar Energy will be the leading company in the alternative energies sector and installation of solar panels. Holding 50% of the market of solar panel in United States and generating through the commercialization of panels 10% of the electric power of the country. Our international marketing strategies start from product and branding strategy. The specific goals regarding these topics are: by 2024, Solar Energy will have 5 different products within its portfolio so that it can diversify and serve a new target segment that will be serviced in 2018. In 2019, thanks to its proximity to customers, Solar Energy will have their application in the top of the 5 most downloaded apps in iTunes and Play Store. The product offered by Solar Energy is standardizable, are the same panels to all the consumers, but it also can be adapted according to the needs of each client, such as size, potential, shapes. The brand name is global and was changed from Solar Energy to SolEn to be more attractive to our customers.
our distribution strategy is composed by one specific goal. From the second semester of 2018, SolEn will make an exclusive alliance with the government of United States to be the only company that will manage the projects of alternative energy, especially projects of solar energy. So we are going to distribute our service through an exclusive app for the clients of SolEn and by the webpage of the company. SolEn only provides the services of acquiring the materials, the analysis and design of the panels by the app, and the installation of the panels. Due to this, our launch strategy is exclusive. We will reach our clients by e-commerce through the app that we are developing. But our company is supported by two companies, one that will sell us the panels, another that will install the panels on the places where our consumers require the services. Also, with a sales representative that will do the following process in these projects. Our tactic to enter to the market is making an alliance with the government to SolEn to be part of projects that supply the low resources zones of energy, offer a very low price. Starting from this, the alliance can help SolEn to be perceived by our consumer as a company that has a social orientation. So these projects will be our channel to be known and to reach our consumers. Our promotion strategy have a specific goal. In 2019, thanks to its proximity to consumers, SolEn will have their application in the top 5 of the most downloaded apps in iTunes and Play Store. Our promotion will be global, due to our company is focused on resolve social problems that the entire world is facing in this moment, such as the contamination of the environment. So SolEn resolve this problem, influencing all the community to sustainable practices, approaching one of our most important resources, the solar energy, through solar panels, to produce energy for all the communities that require it. SolEn, smart, social, and sustainable energy, is the message that we want to transmit to our consumers, that SolEn is a social company that resolves global problems such as the environment contamination and give to their consumers a lot of benefits with the services that offers, such as save time and save money. Also, with the app, will offer exclusivity, innovation, and the opportunity to have the assurance that they are investing their money well. We will communicate this message showing lifestyle, regular people using the app of SolEn from the comfort of their houses or businesses. The promotion will be standardized. It will be the same in the two countries where we offer our services, due to our idea is to internationalize our company to United States, and the language used will be English. The channels that we will to use to promote our services will be focused on our target market. The first will be show advertisings with a direct link to our app in related apps, social media such as Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, through TV in specific channels where they talk about sustainable practices, projects, and investment. Through internet in blogs of sustainable practices and in web pages of our allies and intermediaries. also through business magazines. The second one will be consumers' sale promotion by promotional pricing. If our consumers acquire the services by the app, we'll only pay the 70% of the cost in limited time. And by trade-in, when the consumer wants to change for any reason their panels, they can recycle the panels and they will receive a discount of 20% in the next panels that they want to acquire. By peer tools through SolEn webpage and promote our services in special events where the people will be more familiarized with our brand, having the opportunity to resolve their doubts with our managers. The fourth one will be interviews in specific channels such as Bloomberg, and also we are thinking on participate in a TV program called Shark Tank in United States version to be known and reach an agreement if they decide to invest in our business idea.
The price corresponds to the technology and services provided, the methods of use and number of panels used by project. Also takes into account that for projects with Association of the States have discounts specific and is subsidized with funds for the states. For budgets common of the project have benefits of monitoring and maintenance at lower cost. Price. For the development of the project, the following resources will be necessary. Trade agreements of distribution with the main manufacturer of solar panels. Staff trained in installation and adaptation of solar energy systems. Qualified personnel in solar electric power generation systems. Developers of mobile applications. Graphic designer and publicist for the development of advertising strategies and brand communication. Storage warehouse office for the location of the administrative and customer service staff, sales personnel and technical assistance to customers. Trucks for the transport of the products for their corresponding installation.